Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to take the inlet valve out of an Asko dishwasher. I've just been on YouTube and seeing how people are showing you, and I'm quite shocked as to how involved they're making it. Some are removing the air brake and having to do it from inside and all sorts of things and making a huge job of it. It's actually very simple. So I'll just leave that there. I'll grab a screwdriver. So I'm going to take these 4 screws out. It is such a simple job to remove the inlet valve. So you take those screws there, and then you come to the other side, and you take these screws out. I thought I'd already shown this, but I'm not sure, so I'll just do it again. And then you just prise this down to get the back panel off. And you just lay that to one side. So there's your inlet valve, just there. So the easiest way to get it out without dismantling half the dishwasher and making your life difficult, I'll just leave that there. So what I do, just move the motor to one side, just get the little rubber out the way, pull it out, literally just move the motor to one side just to give you some room there. Right. Next thing, take the multi-plug off the valve and just pop it up to one side. Next thing, grab yourself a flat-bladed screwdriver, pop it into the edge of the valve just there, and lever it towards the motor, like so. Give it a jiggle. There is the valve out. Now, the only thing you've got to take out now, which is, again, I'm pretty sure I showed this already, there's an O-ring in there. Another small screwdriver. There it is. So, reversal. Put the valve back onto the hose first. That's the easiest way to do it. Once you've done that, pop the O-ring back on there. You just put a bit of soap around that O-ring, just so it's slippery, like dishwashing liquid, something like that. Next thing you do, you pop the valve back in. You've just got to line up the 2 slots there and there, and you just push. Click. Done. That is how quick it is to replace an inlet valve on an Asko dishwasher. There's no need to start taking out this air brake. You don't touch that air brake ever unless you have to, because they are quite difficult to get out and back in. And there is an O-ring, so if you don't get it back in properly while it's filling with water, it'll just leak like a sieve and you'll have a whole world of pain. And then, of course, once you've put the valve in, put the multi-plug back on. That's it. And of course, again, motor back into its position. Done.